Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp error code. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, to check the WhatsApp app storage problem, it's if your phone storage is not sufficient for WhatsApp to install the app, then error may occur, and check if you have enough storage space and try again. You can also clear cache and data. Clearing the cache and the data of the Google Play Store app. To do this, go to the settings, then apps, then tap on the manage apps, then search for the Google Play Store, then tap on the storage, and you can clear the cache from here. If none of the other solutions works, try uninstalling or reinstalling WhatsApp app. So if you continue to experience issues, contact WhatsApp support for further assistance. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.